We are going to be creating a temporary table, a little different than the global temporary table we just created. Global table is available to all sessions. Just a regular temporary table is only available to us. Our boss wants us to create this table and run a select against it so they can see if it is something other departments may be interested in. And then if they decide to open it up to the other departments, then we'll end up changing it into a global temporary table. Right now, it's just going to be a regular one. So we have to create this table because it does not exist. And instead of using 2 hashtags, now we're only going to use 1. Now we could just string all of the columns on this line, but it is a little easier to read if you have more than a couple columns. It's a little easier to read if you enter them like this, like a regular table. We've got first name, ID. You'll notice that we're adding everything that we would normally add when we create a table. Okay, so the only difference is how we're really naming this table and the fact that it's temporary. So that will create the table. And now we are going to insert just a couple rows. It's a good thing we don't have a lot of columns on this. And then I'm going to copy this. And we'll paste it a couple times. And so the very first value is our key, so that has to be unique. And we'll change the names up. And we'll change the salaries. And then we're going to go ahead and select from this table. Select the ID, the first name, last name. And then for the salary type, instead of doing a 1, 2, or 3, which really is not very useful, we're going to do a choose. And we'll do the choose on salary type. And if it's a 1, it's hourly. And if it's a 2, it is salary. And if it's a 3, it is piece rate. So they get paid for the pieces. And then if there was somebody with a 4, it'd be monthly. Somebody had a 5, it would be bi-weekly. And this last option is horrible, you'd starve. But if it's a 6, they only get paid once a year. Okay, and that is coming from #employee. Okay, so we've got our insert statements, inserting data, and then we're selecting from that temporary table. So we're going to go ahead and execute this. And then we're going to move our closing comment down. And then go ahead and save your changes.